Hello, my dear friends. Welcome on the platform of Genius Institute Lahore. Now, once again, this is the third exercise of the alphabet C, synonyms. So let's get started. Located, situated, consumption, use, cut, reduce, cities, urban, crops, plants which are grown for food, components, parts, conscientious, careful, common, generally, create, form, change the direction of, reroute, cannot be replaced, no substitute for, complexity, intricacy, currently, in more recent decades, categories, types, create, build, consistent with, fit, charging, pricing, commitment to, engagement, colleague, peer, charming, delightful, appealing, enchanting. Chilly, cool, conditions, factors, copy, reproduction, colors, hues, certain, sure, definite, capture, seize, arrest, consulted, asked advice, collect, accumulate, contribute to, lead to, care, concern, protection, careful, cautious, watchful, cold, freezing, comprehend, understand, confuse, misinterpret, coincidental, fortuitous, civil, municipal, close, shut, fasten, close, near, conclude, draw a conclusion, change, shift, calm, quiet, and tranquil. Complete, finish, complex, complicated, cooperation, sport and understanding, construction, building, city life, urban lifestyles, complex, complicated, intricate, competent, capable, qualified, collect information, establish a data bank, catastrophic, devastating, express, condense, squeeze, concrete, solid, concur, agree, conflict, oppose, differ, consecutive, successive, continuous, conservative, cautious, restrained, conscientious, scrupulous, virtuous, careless, reckless, conflict, fight, battle, struggle, seize, stop, discontinue, courageous, brave, carefully, meticulously. Meticulously. The next page, channel their feelings, emotional forces in harness, symmetry, burial ground, current teaching methods, modern teaching practices, characteristics, traits, citizens, residents, cognitive, perceptual, cut down on, reduce, categories, types, city, metropolitan, conserving energy, sparing use of energy reserves, comply with, obey, cheerful, optimistic, cheap, worthless, yeah, of course, cheap, worthless, courageous, brave, heroic, cowardly, fearful, contributed to, made a contribution to, charging, pricing, contaminate, pollute, content, satisfied, and pleased, comparatively, relatively, come, approach, arrive, reach. Cool, chilly, cold, frosty, frigid, conform, comply, conceal, hide, cozy, comfortable, congested, overcrowded, stuffed, continue, persist, persevere, clarify, explain, simplify, connect, join, link, attach, conscious, aware, courteous, polite, considerate, thoughtful, constantly, always, continually, convenient, handy, conventional, customary, traditional, correct, accurate, right, cry, shout, yell, scream, cut, cut, chop, reduce, crazy, insane, mad, cruel, heartless, careless, negligent, chatting on the internet, chatting online. And last but not the least is criminals, people who commit a crime. That's it, my dear friends. These were all very important synonyms which are usually used in reading, but they are also very important in terms of writing, listening, and speaking. Speaking to some extent, because these are the all the formal words, formal vocabulary synonyms. So you have to just learn them by heart. Keep on just seeing them once or twice a week. In this way, you will be able to just remember lots of synonymous words and the meanings as well. Dear friends, I'm going to see you in another video, which will be later on uploaded, about the alphabet D. Until then, stay blessed and stay tuned.